A little bit of an update video. No noises today, unfortunately, but this is the ES200X that you probably haven't seen in a long time. Monitoring monitoring the entire house now. It used to only be the attic and basement. Mainly basement, then I added the attic, then I added second floor. So, as you can probably see, pardon the mess, we've got an ECC 5100, we got an ES200X with my crazy... I find it messy. Some people probably will say this is pretty good. But this is all the wiring. Got this faceplate, breastplate rather, for the ES so that I don't see my wiring every day and cry. There's a lot of that. I have down here a NAC panel, an AL800 ULADA. I'm using 3 of the 4 NACs, and I'm doing system sensor sync. In order to do that, I've got the return so that it's a fully supervised loop. Plus, I got all the isolator cards in here, isolating all my loops. So, pretty small video, short video. Eve of TikTok being banned, so I'm sure most of you are probably not going to watch this till after you need your fix of short form video. But just a little bit of an update of what's going on here on the system, and a little bit of a progress report. And I don't know, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and hopefully we'll do some tests soon on it. And yes, that is an M2M, and it is monitoring it.